Greetings and welcome to Brainy-tainment, your virtual hub for stimulating and scientific insights about health. We're all about nurturing your curiosity, encouraging exploration, and fostering a deeper understanding of the fascinating world within us. Today we're turning the spotlight on a topic that sparks interest in health enthusiasts across the globe: the intriguing relationship between fasting and testosterone levels. So buckle up as we delve into the science of how fasting can have a profound influence on your testosterone levels. Before we dive into the main topic, let us first understand what testosterone is. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a pivotal role in the human body. It's often associated with what we consider typically male characteristics, though it's present in bodies of all genders. It's responsible for the deepening of the voice during puberty, the growth of body and facial hair, and the development of muscle mass and strength. Additionally, it impacts bone density, red blood cell production, and even our mood. But its influence doesn't stop there. It also plays a crucial role in fertility, influencing sperm production. As you can see, testosterone is not just about brawn, it's also about the essential functions within our bodies. Without it, our bodies wouldn't work the way they're supposed to. Now that we have a basic understanding of testosterone, let's see how fasting comes into the picture. Fasting, a practice as old as mankind, has surprising effects on our bodies. Let's dive into the world of fasting. Essentially, fasting is the voluntary abstinence from eating for a certain period of time. It's not about starvation, but rather a deliberate choice for health, spiritual, or other reasons. There are several types of fasting. Intermittent fasting, for instance, involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This could mean eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for the remaining 16. Then there's prolonged fasting, which can last 2 or more days. There's also time-restricted feeding, where you eat only within a specific time window each day. But what exactly happens when we fast? Well, the human body is a marvel of adaptation. When we stop eating, our bodies shift from a state of growth and repair to a state of preservation and maintenance. This shift initiates several changes. Insulin levels drop, which facilitates fat burning. Human growth hormone levels rise, which promotes muscle gain and fat loss. Autophagy, a process where your cells clean out damaged components, also increases, which has potential benefits for longevity and disease prevention. Fasting is like hitting the reset button on your body. It's a way to challenge your body, to push it out of its comfort zone and trigger these beneficial changes. Interesting, isn't it? But what's more fascinating is how it affects our testosterone levels. You might be wondering, how does fasting, an act of not eating, can possibly influence testosterone, a hormone? Well, let's delve into the science behind this intriguing connection. Firstly, we have to understand that our bodies are complex systems, constantly adjusting to different circumstances, and when we fast, our body switches from a state of fed to a state of fasted. This change initiates a series of metabolic processes, one of which involves our endocrine system, the system responsible for hormone production and regulation. Now let's talk about a specific hormone called luteinizing hormone, or LH for short. LH is a gonadotropin, a type of hormone that stimulates the gonads. In men, these are the testes. It's LH's job to stimulate the production of testosterone in these testes. So, if we have more LH, we should theoretically produce more testosterone, right? Well, it's not that simple, but fasting does indeed seem to increase LH levels. Various studies have shown that fasting can lead to a significant rise in LH. One research found that a 2-day fast led to a 67% increase in LH. But wait, it gets more interesting. This same rise in LH doesn't always lead to a corresponding rise in testosterone. Surprised? This is because the body also increases the production of a protein called sex hormone binding globulin, or SHBG, during fasting. SHBG binds to testosterone, making it less biologically active. It's a bit like putting a leash on a dog. The dog is still there, but it can't run around freely. So while fasting does increase LH, and by extension, testosterone production, the rise in SHBG can limit the overall effect. It's a delicate balance, and our bodies are constantly adjusting to maintain this equilibrium. So, fasting can indeed impact our testosterone levels. But how exactly does this happen? Stay tuned as we explore the detailed mechanisms in the upcoming scene. We promise it's going to be a fascinating journey into the intricate workings of our bodies. The mechanism of how fasting affects testosterone is a fascinating interplay of hormones and bodily functions. When we fast, our bodies undergo several metabolic shifts, leading to changes in hormone levels. One of these hormones is luteinizing hormone, or LH. Produced by the pituitary gland, LH is a key player in testosterone production. During fasting, LH levels have been noted to increase significantly, which in turn stimulates the Leydig cells in the testes to produce more testosterone. This increase in testosterone production is not just a coincidence, it's a survival mechanism that dates back to our hunter-gatherer ancestors. When food was scarce, they had to rely on their physical strength and mental acuity to hunt and forage. Higher testosterone levels boosted their energy, strength, and focus, increasing their chances of finding food and surviving. However, it's not just about the increase in LH and testosterone. Fasting also leads to a decrease in insulin levels and an increase in human growth hormone, or HGH. Insulin is known to inhibit testosterone production, so a decrease in insulin paves the way for increased testosterone production. On the other hand, HGH, which also rises during fasting, has synergistic effects with testosterone, enhancing the benefits of this male hormone. This interplay of hormones during fasting creates an optimal environment for testosterone production. But it's not just about the hormones. Fasting also reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, which can otherwise negatively impact testosterone production. However, it's important to note that these changes are temporary and revert back once you break the fast. Also, the response to fasting can vary widely. Factors such as age, health status, and even the duration and frequency of fasting can influence its impact on testosterone levels. While it's clear that fasting influences testosterone, it's essential to understand that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen, including fasting. So while fasting can be a powerful tool to boost testosterone, it's not the only factor to consider. Remember, balance is key. Fasting and its effects on testosterone is a complex yet intriguing topic. We've explored the fundamental role of testosterone in the body, a hormone vital for muscle growth, mood, and overall well-being. We've also delved into the science of fasting, a practice that has been around for centuries and is now recognized for its numerous health benefits. Our journey led us to the fascinating connection between fasting and testosterone. We saw that fasting can indeed influence testosterone levels, but the relationship isn't as straightforward as one might think. Delving deeper, we unraveled the intricate mechanism through which fasting impacts testosterone, highlighting the role of various hormones and metabolic processes. What's clear is that the interplay between fasting and testosterone is a delicate one. It's a balance of maintaining optimal hormone levels while reaping the benefits of fasting. Remember, fasting can be a powerful tool, but it's crucial to understand your body and consult a health professional before making any drastic changes. That's all the science we have for you today on how fasting affects testosterone levels. It's been a thrilling journey of discovery, hasn't it? Unraveling the intricate connections between our dietary habits and our health is no small feat. And we're glad you've chosen to embark on this journey with us. Fasting is more than just a diet trend, it's a testament to the extraordinary adaptability of the human body. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of health and wellness, we invite you to join us in our quest for knowledge. Here at Braintainment, we're committed to delivering insightful, research-backed content to help you understand your health better. There's so much more to discover, and we can't wait to uncover it all with you. To ensure you don't miss out on any of our future videos, hit the subscribe button. Become part of our ever-growing community of health enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more brain-tickling content. Until next time, stay curious and healthy.